Do you now think that this place has changed?
In some way or the other.
The answer is no is fine, but maybe after 2 years, it should have an impact. The MBA experience
actually,
should have an impact.
Yeah, see, having an impact is different from changing in personality.
But
change in personality.
By impact I mean change.
You can influence a personality, you cannot change a personality. That's what I am saying.
What so you are born with this personality?
Like what personality? I mean, what do you mean by that?
I think you partly gave the answer to my question.
Okay, fine. Any other thing?
So what are the lessons you have learned from your life apart from these things? I mean, you are life sciences.
There were like few.
That's good.
Good.
Thanks Anirudh for sharing your experiences.
Thank you and all the best for your life.
Thanks Anirudh for sharing your experiences, and I mean it's we are giving this platform for each any one of you in our class, because it's a platform where you can share experience, because because we are not inviting any CEO or any MD or any something, but we are choosing one person from our class where you can relate yourself with that person, like that the experience that he has given you, so people can relate. And do you know why we study these case studies? Because so that in the future we won't do the same mistakes again. Right here, Anirudh has given some examples. So I feel that if in the future if I come across the same situation, so I won't repeat the same mistakes again as Anirudh had done. So these are the things we are doing through this mixed sessions. So thanks a lot. Yeah.
Can I have 2 minutes?
Yes.
This person had asked for a feedback, so I think
we all
will go back with something. So I want you to go back with a feedback. And
1 minute. Before that, I would like to say, if I am permitted.
Yeah. So it's your.
I just wanted to ask now, like, have the number which you have given in the starting of the session. Now, if you rate the session, has like for how many it is increasing and for how many it is decreasing. Decreasing first. How many it has decreased? Increased. Neutral. 1 minute. Let me just have a count. 1, 2, 3, 4. For 4, 5.
Increased.
6 increased. Neutral. 2, 3. Okay, thanks. Yeah. Sorry.
I just want you to go back with some feedback because you asked for it. Let me start with the good ones. The first thing which I think you did was, which I didn't do, was you were very disciplined with time. So you knew how to manage your time. The first slide, the India movement, highly impressive. You used some pictorial, again highly impressive. Another impressive thing was the way you used your slides, very crisp to the point messages. Even if you don't speak, at least the leader can immediately read and come back to what you are speaking. That was a very fundamental mistake which people make. Another good thing which I was pleased to see, somehow, I mean, this is something which I cannot avoid because I had been involved in theatre for some time, and there are things which I cannot know. If I see, I see a lot of people making some uncomfortable posters, some irritating posters on stage. You were one of the better ones I've seen over the last 3 months. One of the better ones. One of the better ones to have used the stage properly.
But anyway, I am trying to improve on that also.
Yes, and
I don't have a change in nutrition.
Yeah, so let me come back to ones which I would like you to improve. First thing, when you're making a formal presentation, don't use the informal you for you. Don't be. I think you should have, when Manish can be written, Shivraj can also be written. Consistency. If you write either his pet name or write the formal name for everybody. Another thing, a lot of scope for improvement of your language. Work on it. Overall, I think I started with 3 and you get 4 for your rating.